Speak English better.
With Copilot Podcast.
Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to Copilot Podcast Studio. So, think about your morning today.
Yeah, how do you go to work?
Right. Did you rely on a machine with wheels or did you, use your own 2 feet?
It is a great question.
It is. And this deep dive is designed specifically for English beginners. Slowly and clearly, today we are exploring the word travel, which simply means to go from one place to another.
It is a perfect topic because we literally all travel every day.
Yeah.
And we usually divide that travel into 2 categories, using machines or not using machines.
Okay, so let us start with the machines. We have common vehicles, like a car is a vehicle with 4 wheels.
Yeah, and then there's a bus, which is a large vehicle for many people.
Or a train, a vehicle that runs on tracks.
Exactly. Now, in many languages, the grammar for using these machines can be, well, very complicated.
Yeah, so how does English handle it? Because we want to keep it simple for our beginners.
English actually uses a very simple, small word. Just think of the word buy. That is B-Y. You just put this short word right before the name of the vehicle.
Okay, let us unpack this. So, why the word buy?
Well, in English, the word buy acts as a signal.
Mm-hmm.
It basically shows that you are using an outside tool to do the work for you, like the machine is doing the heavy lifting.
Oh, I get it. So you say, I go by car, or, I go by bus.
Right.
So buy is like a little linguistic bridge connecting me to the machine I am using. I go by train.
That is exactly it. It connects you to the method.
Yeah.
So keep it simple. You say, I go by, and then the transport.
Mm-hmm.
But there are other useful phrases you can use if you do not want to use that bridge.
Wait, really? So I do not always have to use buy?
Right, you do not. If you want to focus on your choice, you can say, I take the train.
Oh, okay.
Or if you just want to describe the vehicle itself, you use normal descriptions, like the car is red.
That makes sense. So I go by bus describes the method, and I take the train describes the choice. But here is where I get a bit stuck. We do not always use a machine to travel, right?
Right, which leads to a totally different rule.
Okay, so what if my tool is just my own body, like the word walk, meaning moving on foot? Do I say I go by foot or I do not know by walking?
Ah, see, this is where the logic of the language is actually quite beautiful. The rule just changes completely.
Oh.
Yeah, because your feet are not an outside machine. They're, a part of you. When you do not use a vehicle, you do not use the word buy.
So I do not need a bridge at all.
Precisely. You drop the bridge word entirely. You are doing all the work yourself, so you just say the action.
So no buy at all. I just state the action directly, like, I walk to school.
Perfect. Yes, I walk to school.
All right.
Because the word walk contains both the action and the method inside it. You do not need any extra words, just the action and your destination.
Okay, let us pull this all together. We have 2 simple ways to talk about travel in English. If a machine is doing the work, you build a bridge to it. I go by bus. But if you are doing the work, you just state the action. I walk.
Exactly. And, knowledge is most valuable when you practice it. So we want you to practice right now, out loud.
Yes, try saying these out loud with us.
Say these 3 sentences to practice your English. First, I go to the store by car. Second, I walk to the park. And third, I like to travel by train.
That is such a great way to practice. Well, since travel is something we do so often, here's a final thought to leave you with.
Yeah.
Think about your day tomorrow. Since travel simply means going from one place to another from the moment you wake up, how many entirely different ways will you travel before the day is over?